Your dream National Law University journey begins offline. For the very first time, Drishti brings its Target CLAT 2027 crash course in offline mode. Designed for aspirants seeking structured preparation, classroom interaction, and focused guidance. Our offline batches are available at Mukherjee Nagar starting from 1st of June and Noida starting from 10th of June. Why choose Drishti CLAT? Because we offer experienced law educators, interactive classroom learning, premium study material, personalized feedback and mentorship. Can't join offline? You can also attend the Target CLAT 2027 crash course live from the Mukherjee Nagar and Noida classrooms. Click the link in the description to choose your center. Admissions open, and for more details, download the Drishti Learning app or call us at 87501 87501.